Alright guys, good morning. Shadows, we are sitting at the bus stop waiting for the bus. We are heading to Varna today. Yeah, so I think I read it was like a 2-hour drive, so not too bad. It cost me about 14 lev, which is about $7. So really not bad. I got a little bit of time as usual. I'm here a little early, so just gonna chill. Weather's kind of a little gloomy, check it out. So, perfect travel day. Alright guys, catch you in a bit. To the hostel in Varna, super cool. It sucks tonight I have an upper bunk, but he said tomorrow we can like totally move to my bottom bunk, so that's good because this getting up in the middle of the night trying to go to the bathroom is not going to be pretty. So yeah, I'm just heading down to the market, gonna grab some food, and yeah. All right, good morning, Shadows. So change of plans. I looked at the schedule and it looks like there is no free walking tour today. So we're gonna flip the script. We're gonna go buy the bus ticket for Bucharest and then go see a movie. And yeah, that's what my plan is for today. And then tomorrow we'll do the walking tour and the sea garden and all that good stuff. So here we go. Just gotta stop by the bank and get some money. Alright guys, just waiting for the movie. Wind up seeing Jurassic Park because it's the one that was in English with subtitles. I really wanted to see Incredibles 2, but everything they got was in Bulgarian, so obviously that's not going to work for me. So going to see Jurassic Park, which is fine. I kind of wanted to see it anyway, and going to IMAX. I paid $17, so that's about $8.50 to see it, but that includes buying a pair of IMAX glasses, which I'll keep just in case I go to another one. But yeah, just waiting. I've got about 45 minutes, I think.